Hi everyone, it's Amber, and today I have a different kind of video that I would like to share with you. I hope that you enjoy this. Every single year I host a Christmas tea, and it's usually on the first Sunday of December. And this is my absolute favorite day of the year. I host it at my house, and I invite the same 6 women every single time, and they're the ladies in my family that I am closest to. And so the guest list includes my mom, my 2 sisters, Ginger and Bree, my Aunt Terry, my step-grandma, Sally, and my mother-in-law. This year, sadly, my mother-in-law was not able to make it because she was out of state. So she was not able to make it, but she does come every single other year. She has come every single other year. And so this video is very casual. I'm mainly just showing you kind of the setup and my tablescape and how I made my house extra cozy for my guests. I just absolutely love hosting this every single year, and I had a couple people ask me last year if I would share it on my YouTube channel, and I said of course. So I just wanted to show you kind of an overview of our cozy tea party. We do white elephant gift exchange, we have hors d'oeuvres, and then lunch. I always make or get all my guests a gift or two, and it's kind of like my way of pampering all the women that I love in my family and just giving them a relaxing day where they don't have to stress. They don't bring a dish, they don't bring anything except for their gift to exchange and themselves. And then it's just the most peaceful, wonderful, cozy day, and I absolutely love it. So this is just me showing you kind of my home decor. I made my house extra cozy. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I tried to do a little bit of vlog style in it, but it really didn't work out because I kind of just wanted to live and enjoy the moment. And so I got a couple little clips here and there, but mostly it's just these still shot pictures and little tiny clips of the day and lots of clips of my setup. So I hope you enjoy this. I'm going to set the rest of it to music. I might pop back on here to tell you some stuff, but I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.
Oh, wow. Oh, that's my very favorite.
During the tea party, I wanted to do a fun little craft. I do something like this every year. Last year we made cards, and this year I decided to have us all put together a little favor that we could either keep for ourselves or gift to somebody. So this is our cute little Stovetop Potpourri, and if you're interested, I'll leave all the ingredients that we used in the description below. If you want to make it for yourself, you just put it on your stove, and it's super fragrant, and it makes your house smell so good, like Christmas. So, and then I wanted to share with you the gift that I got everybody. So if you saw my tablescape, you saw like a wrapped gift and then a gift bag. So in the wrapped gift were a little pack of, I think, Duncan Hines mug cakes. They're little packets for mug cakes, and they come with frosting. So I got everybody their own little flavor. And then the big gift that I got everybody that I was most excited about came from one of my favorite Etsy shops, the Happy Marigold, and I was able to get each one of my guests one of her fabric dories, and I was so excited about it. I was able to get them each a Christmas fabric dory, and when she sends her dories, she always sends so many little extras, little vintage bits and pieces, and so I was able to get each of my guests one of her fabric dories, and I had them all spread out all their goodies on the little chargers on the table so I could take a picture.
That is really fresh. Okay. I love it.
Oh, that's super cute.
Yeah, exactly.
That's
Oh my God, dude.
Oh, it's a spode.
Spode.
That is gorgeous, if that's the thing what it is on the box.
Spode is
It's Dillard is what it is.
yeah, it's a,
Pretty.
That's so pretty.
Oh, look at the inside.
it's a
Can you hold it
series
to my-
of like porcelain cups. They're very
Oh!
That's a teacup.
No,
No way.
It's a cookie. It's a cookie pocket.
I thought it was.
Oh my God, that's so cute.
I've seen people use it for tea bags.
Yeah.
Tea bags, cookie pocket.
Bags.
That is so cute. Can I see the front? Can I see the front?
How cute.
Oh my gosh.
How cute.
So after my tea party is over and my guests leave, my mom and my two sisters stay behind, and we have this fun, just cozy little gift exchange that we call our pre-Christmas gift exchange. And obviously by what we call it, you can tell what it is. We exchange, what it was is we started out giving each other like little Christmas themed things like kitchen towels or little, doormats or things like that are Christmas themed that we didn't want to wait until Christmas to give. So we called it our pre-crisp exchange. We kind of abbreviate it. But this turned into us kind of just chatting and having just fun with each other and being able to relax. I make hot cocoa for all of us, and we just sit around and laugh and just have a great time, you know, exchanging gifts. And we've gotten a little carried away. We give each other like 3 or 4 gifts each. But this year I got all the girls, my 2 sisters, the 12 socks of Christmas, and then I gave my mom some really nice like Nordic Christmas socks, and then I gave them each some other gifts, and they gave me some beautiful gifts as well. So I didn't photograph all of them here, but I did get a couple pictures to show you of some of the gifts that I got. But overall, this is just my absolute favorite day of the year. I love it so much, and I look forward to it each and every year. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
This red, nothing can compare to the gift of your love.